You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights. All the links mentioned in this Kraken Pro review, including my personal experience using the platform, are down in the description below. This review dives into the Kraken Pro cryptocurrency investment platform, exploring its features, ideal user base, and overall suitability for crypto investors and traders. Kraken Pro stands as Kraken's advanced trading platform, specifically designed for users seeking minimal fees, substantial liquidity, and professional-level tools. It offers spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading, making it a truly feature-rich exchange among the available options. With access to more than 200 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide array of altcoins, Kraken Pro caters to both individual and institutional traders. A key advantage of Kraken Pro lies in its competitive trading fees, structured on a maker-taker model. Fees begin at a mere 0.16% for makers and 0.26% for takers, decreasing significantly as trading volume increases. This fee structure positions Kraken Pro as an attractive alternative compared to exchanges like Binance.us or Coinbase Pro. For margin traders, Kraken Pro provides leverage of up to 5x on selected assets, while its futures trading platform allows for leverage up to 50x. This amplified leverage makes Kraken Pro a compelling choice for active traders aiming to maximize their positions. When it comes to security, Kraken Pro has established itself as one of the industry's most trusted platforms. It utilizes cold storage for the majority of its assets, implements two-factor authentication, 2FA, and enforces stringent KYC verification procedures to guarantee user protection. Furthermore, Kraken boasts an impressive record of never having been hacked, a remarkable achievement among major cryptocurrency exchanges. Available on both desktop and mobile devices, the platform offers advanced charting tools, diverse order types, and customizable trading interfaces. Its API integration further enhances its appeal, particularly for algorithmic traders. However, it's worth noting that deposit and withdrawal options are subject to geographical variations. While US users can utilize ACH and wire transfers, debit and credit card support is more limited. Kraken Pro is best suited for dedicated traders, institutional investors, and those seeking a high-performance exchange that combines low fees and deep liquidity. Its complex features might make it less suitable for complete beginners. However, for seasoned traders, it stands out as one of the leading trading platforms available. Intrigued? Click the links in the description below to explore Kraken Pro further.